Hi folks, so let me explain this bigger butterfly wall plaque, wall hanger to you, how I made it. So this tray here, which is about, if you look at it on the side, gives you a cement slab of about 12 millimeters thick. So this is the slab and it's 12 millimeters thick. So you need to mix up the cement first, put it into this tray, put some straws in so that you, trying to hold everything, so that you end up with holes like this to hang it, the other ones over under that wing. And then with the butterfly, what I did was, on this mat, I just laid out 2 lumps of the cement mix, patted it, used my fingers with gloves on, of course, and shaped the butterfly into the butterfly shape. Then when that cement slab was dry, I made the middle of the butterfly, his body, I put some wire in to make those little antenna things, and then I still had the slab sitting in the tray, in this tray, and then had, this wing sitting on the edge of the tray, over the edge of the tray, and this wing I added extra cement to the back of it here. Where are we? Here, a little mound of cement there to keep the wing in place, and then I used something to keep it propped up until it all dried. I put 2 empty tuna tins into this slab before it dried. So let's run through that again. You put your cement in here. A few hours later you put the tins in on their side, ready to make the little candle holders. Then a couple of days later I took the cement slab out of here, sat it on my table. By then the wings were dry because the wings had been sitting on my silicone mat, and then I positioned the wings, made the body, and propped up this wing so that it looked like a butterfly in flight. So I've made a PDF file which will probably explain it better, and I'll put the link to that below. Have a great day.